When was the last time you cleared your cache? Last week? Last month? Or never? If you've never touched it, your phone or browser might be filled with junk. That's slowing everything down. Worse, it could be messing with your battery, storage, and privacy. Let me explain what's really happening and how to fix it in seconds. So watch the full video till the end. And if you're new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. So let's get started. So let's first see what is cache and why it matters. So every time you visit a website or open an app, your phone stores temporary data. That's called cache. It helps things load faster next time. Sounds useful, right? Well, yes, but only for a while. Because over time, this data builds up. Old images, outdated scripts, broken code all sitting there, doing nothing except slowing your device down. Now let's see what happens if you never clear it. So if you never clear cache, your phone or browser gets slower over time. Websites stop working correctly or crash. Storage gets filled with junk data. Apps start misbehaving. You see outdated content or wrong info. And it could even expose personal data if cache is left unchecked for too long. It's like never taking out the trash. Your system gets messy, bloated, and starts to stink. But don't worry, you have a good news. That the fix is super easy and takes less than 30 seconds. If you're using phone, like Android or iPhone, just go to your phone setting, go to storage section, and click on cache data, and just tap clear. And if you're using PC or laptop, just go to your browser settings, go to privacy section, and click on clear browsing data. And just select cached images and files. And just tap clear or delete. Do this once a week or at least once a month, and your device will feel smoother, faster, and cleaner. So now you know, your cache isn't harmless. It's like digital dust. If you don't clean it, your device suffers. Now tell me in the comments, when was the last time you cleared your cache? I am eagerly waiting for your response. So guys, see you in next video. But before that, if you like my videos, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.